order to successfully add the beautiful sunrise and sunset transitions so that they are properly displayed within your project, you will first need to navigate into the route menu, then carefully select the specific route folder where you want to add these transitions, or simply choose the new one that you have just created for this purpose. Let's go with this one. Be sure to add the estimated time of departure, as listed within the official schedule. Here we have the waypoint. Well, here's some additional information. And in the schedule, we add the estimated time of departure, the first starting point, and the final waypoint where we arrive. Well, let's just leave it as the 25th for now. That's perfectly fine. Here we click to gather the information. Here it has calculated everything for us. We've gathered everything, saving it. Now we go. According to your original plan, as you might have already guessed here, you see how this works? The sunrise and sunset times need to be properly configured. If you only perform the calculation specifically for the UK ICT reference point, then it won't read it for you. Regarding the sunrise and the sunset, I don't really need those right now. I'll select the reference point, and for now that's quite interesting, and we also click right here to gather the necessary information. Here it is, displayed clearly according to our route. Based on what it read, we have successfully set both the departure and arrival points. It will now calculate for us and showcase it in today's lesson. The only remaining thing that is left for us to do is to set not a checkbox, but one. Select the item so that it will process everything for now. Until it's all finished. I click save. You can keep a close eye on it. Monitoring by clicking this button. It can be closed. Go ahead and run it now. Monitoring carefully here, the sun and moon should be properly set up. That's it here. Now we have it loaded as the active one, and here we have our set scanner ready to go. Because we have already finished calculating our scanner. Here it appears for us, we select it, and these have appeared specifically for you, less than 9 on ours.